లోక్సభ సమావేశాలను ప్రత్యక్ష ప్రసారం ద్వారా చూద్దాం.
प्रश्न पढ़ा है ना आपने?
नहीं पढ़ा है.
हाँ, बोलो.
हमको तो मैडम आसाम से लेके हमको चिंतित है कि हमारा क्षेत्र में कोई एयर कनेक्टिविटी है नहीं, डेली फ्लाइट है नहीं, दिल्ली जो तेजपुर, वही हम डिमांड करते हैं कि माननीय मंत्री हमको डेली फ्लाइट दीजिए किसी तरह से. इतना ज्यादा पोटेंशियलिटी है, 200 चाय बागान है,
प्लीज
4 कोर आर्मी हेडक्वार्टर सब है.
अगर उनको बोलना हो तो इफ यू वांट टू यू कैन आंसर हिम, बट दिस इज नॉट रिलेटेड टू क्वेश्चन.
This is not directly related, but madam,
Yeah.
recently we have come up with this rural connectivity scheme in which Deccan Charters has given the tender for Imphal, Dimapur, Aizawl, Agartala and Silchar. So we expect these to start in the month of June.
श्री बी विनोद कुमार जी.
Thank you, madam. Madam, Hyderabad airport, madam, it handles about 7.6 million passengers annually, madam. Madam, my question is also not directly connected to this regional connectivity, but I would like to know from the Honorable Minister, many passengers from Hyderabad fly abroad, particularly to US, madam, that is Newark, Newark and Dallas. I request the Honorable Minister whether there can be a direct flight from Hyderabad to these cities.
I can keep his suggestion in mind.
M.K. Raghavan ji.
Speaker, the air travel, especially on the Indo-Gulf sector, is always matter of concern, madam. More than 10 million Indians are believed employed in the Gulf sector, and majority are low-wage workers. Madam Speaker, they have only mode of travel to India is by air. The government is aware that the airlines charges exorbitant airfares, especially during festival and holiday periods. The government has entered into open sky policy on a reciprocal basis with the SAARC countries. Madam, my question is to the minister. Will the government also enter into a similar policy with the Gulf countries and also take actions where the designated carriers of India have not fully utilized 80% of their capacity entitlements?
Okay.
But foreign carriers, madam, or countries have utilized their bilateral rights for the allotment of additional capacity entitlements. Madam, and what steps
please,
are going to take in this regard?
Madam, according to my latest information, Indian carriers are performing according to the air service agreements, and they have crossed 80%. In fact, in certain places more than 90% also. So those air service agreements have to be negotiated with the concerned sovereign countries, and these things can be expanded. It's a routine thing.
तारिक अनवर जी.
धन्यवाद अध्यक्ष महोदय. पटना जो बिहार की राजधानी है, एक समय था कि वहाँ फॉरेन कनेक्टिविटी के नाम पर रॉयल नेपाल एयरलाइंस आया करती थी और वहाँ से फिर बनारस जाया करती थी, बनारस से काठमांडू. लेकिन इधर कई वर्षों से बंद है. उसी तरह से बिहार के अंदर खाड़ी के देशों में बहुत बड़ी संख्या में हमारे बिहार से लोग काम करते हैं. मैं ये जानना चाहूँगा कि मंत्री महोदय से कि क्या पटना से फॉरेन कनेक्टिविटी के लिए किसी ऐसे चाहे जो हमारे नहीं जो हमारे ऐसे कुछ लोग हैं जिन्होंने अप्लाई किया है ताकि खाड़ी के देशों से सीधे पटना को जोड़ा जा सके और फिर दोबारा नेपाल एयरलाइंस का या हमारी इंडियन एयरलाइंस नेपाल